Well, morning guys, just out in Lake Mac at the moment. So my plan today is, it's quite early, so it's around about 7 o'clock. So I'm thinking that the bass might be in a little bit further over in these weeds here. So it is quite weedy, so I'm going to put a surface lure on and also maybe a spinnerbait, something like this. And I might even chuck one of these frogs around just in these pads just so it's early, but I've got a feeling they'll come back out. At the moment I'm in 9 feet, I think you can see on the sounder there. I have sounded a few fish up, and I think around about a little bit later on today I think they'll come out a little bit wider to maybe about 13 foot. So I'll see how we go, and then I'll probably use maybe some blades, or yeah, maybe a blade or something like that of that pattern, or a blade like this one. This one's had a bit of work. That's a good little blade. Or I might even just throw some like little grubs around, little soft plastics, and we'll see how we go. Alright guys, so I'll get back to you and hopefully have a fish on when I do. Okay, so first fish of the morning. Don't think it's a very big one. It's taken me a little while to sort of work out what they're sort of taking. Only a tiny one. Yeah, so what I did, basically I've taken the soft plastic and yeah, cut a fair bit off it because they were starting to take the tail off. So I've basically taken that much off the soft plastic. And also put like a little spinnerbait. One of the guys yesterday, I was having a chat with him and he gave me one of these. It's like a little spinnerbait that you put with your plastic. And that seems to have worked with this little fella. So let's try and get him back unharmed. Come on little man, open your mouth. They're always pretty lively, these little guys. There you go, nice little Lake McDonald bass. Not really the one I'm after, but hey, it's a start, and it's one on my new rod. There we go. Nice little bass. Let's put him back in the water. See you, mate. I'll see you when you get a bit bigger. But hey, what a cracking day. Absolutely beautiful day. Had a lot of rain up here on the sunny coast just recently, and yeah, you wouldn't be dead for quids, would you? Oh yes, nice one, Benny. Oh, I've got to get him out of that weed. There you go. There we go, guys. Just a little. I knew there was one in there. Beautiful. Nice little bass. So there you go, guys. Nice little Lake McDonald bass. I took a little soft plastic. Yeah, good fun getting in the shallows and then just slowly rolling them back. Only a little one. He's only probably about 25 centimeters, but still fun when you get them on in real shallow sort of stuff. But they are absolutely beautiful fish. Let's get this guy back in the water. So it's worth coming out for a little rainy day. There you go, mate. Okay guys, I've been trying with the old soft plastic on all the edges, but I think they might be in the middle here now, so I've swapped to a nice vibe. It's on the bottom, so we'll see how we go. There's definitely fish in the middle here. I can see them on the sounder. The vibe's just gotten all caught up. I'll just show you which vibe. Just a bit of weed, so there's quite a bit of weed around here. But where there's weed, there's bass. And I can see a few coming around on the sounder. I think they're bass anyway. So yeah, just using this little vibe here. Now sometimes with the vibes, they'll take it on the way down, and sometimes you don't even have to move them. So we'll just see how we go. I know there's a few bass just here. I'm in now 8 foot of water. There we go, straight away. Yes! That's good. The theory was right, they're out deep. Only a small bass, but the feel of him is not a big bass. There he is, sitting in the weed. I'll get him in. Oh well, sometimes you just got to change your tactics, you know. Like I've been getting a few bites on the edges, but not like you know, like the bass normally are, where they'll smash it. So that was a nice little take. They're only small bass. Let's hope there's a few bigger ones amongst them. So I'll carefully remove these hooks on this little fella. Okay, so let's see if we can get another one. Let's get a little bit of this weed, or this guy won't work real well. Now I was lucky, this vibe here, a guy from Brisbane I was fishing with, and he was in a kayak, and I called him over because I was into a big load of bass, and he came over and he was nailing them on these lures, and he just gave me one for free because he didn't have a net, so I let him use my net. Basically I was netting the fish for him all day. Oh, I got this one on. Oh, I wasn't even doing anything. I was just filming you. That's incredible.
Oh,
yeah, I'm on. Can't believe that. Oh, he's dropped it again.
Put the camera down.
Yeah. Yeah. What was your name?
Jared.
It's Jared. I just called him over to come over and have a go at the. We had some decent bass on the sounder, and this guy's catching all the fish, and I'm catching nothing. But I called him over. He's from Brisbane, first time on Lake McDonald. Well done, mate. I even netted it for him. What a good bloke I am. And what lure did you get it on, mate?
Damiki Bolt Blade.
Damiki Bolt Blade, there you go. Yeah, they're doing the damage. He's already hooked up twice, so that's excellent. He lost a big one. What was that? What do you reckon that is? About 40, that one you got there?
Yeah, it used to be about 40.
Yeah, beautiful. Well done, mate.
Thanks,
mate. Do I think he goes in some competitions? I can't quite remember his name. But yeah, nice guy. Let's give it a go here. Nice to get onto a big one. There we go, I got one on. He bit it on the way in. That's a bit of fish. Stack of them underneath me, so I did a little bit of ice jigging, which is where we just get the where's he gone? On this side, are you, mate? There you go, he's a bit better. He's not brilliant, but they're getting bigger. Let's comfort lift him in. There you go. It's only a baby. There you go, mate. Back to the school. I was hoping to get, you know, a good maybe 40 centimetre bass today. That's what I'm after, but any bass is a good bass. I'll get back to you when we get another fish on. They're a good fish here. Oh yeah, it's a cracker. Got me in the shit at the moment, but oh man. Got the leader up. There he is. Got me right in the weed. There he is. Oh, he's a nice fish. Woo! Yeah, that's a bass. It's a Lake McDonald bass. Pretty happy with that one, guys. Look at that puppy. Woo! There you go, guys. A beautiful Lake McDonald bass out the weed. Really good fun. Got him on one of these spinner baits here. That's what did the damage. Right through the weed. That's where all the big guys are hanging. Pretty difficult to target them on anything but spinner baits. Anyway, let's get this guy back in the water, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week on The Hook and the Cook. Cheers, guys. Pretty amazing sunset. Look at that, how beautiful it is.